Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today's video, there was a few people up on the floor still, so I wasn't by myself, so I just did a silent video again, but I'm just gonna tell you what I did so I don't have to do a voiceover. So basically I worked on these, it looks like they're giant heaters. They're called FPUs, whatever that stands for. They're in the ceiling and they are ginormous. So it's basically just a kind of like an air conditioner. Basically it's going to be a 208 or 240 volt. So I'm using 12.2 MC, and then I was using Mac 2s to strap it to the ceiling. If you know what those are, I show you at the end. They're little clips that you clip the wire in. So basically you can screw it up. In my case, I was using like an air gun. So you basically just load a little, it has little nails in it. You slip them in like into like a clip. You put the nails in, and then you put like this little washer on the tip of it to hold it so the nail doesn't go through the Mac 2 or whatever you're using. And then you just put the Mac 2 on top, and then you just shoot it into the ceiling, and then it just stays there. So I was doing that all day, shooting the Mac 2s, strapping the wire, and then just running it. There was basically one circuit for one side of the building, and then another circuit for the other side of the building. So there was, I think, 4 on one circuit and then 5 on another circuit. Some of them aren't hanging yet. There was, on the east side there's 2 not done, and on the west side there's 1 not done. So you'll see a couple coils of wire at the beginning of the video, and then a wire wrapped around a fire sprinkler pipe at the end just to get it off the floor. I should have taped it, but I did run out of tape. But anyways, I got mostly all of those done. One of them has a home run pipe, and so I just have to do that last one to MC out of the home run box with the pipe in it, and then set another disconnect box. So these all have disconnect boxes to service the units. And then yeah, that's basically it. So I got all of them basically wired and ready to go. I don't have any of the switches or the, I don't know if they have the I'm guessing they're going to be industrial raised switch covers, so I'll need that, and then the switches, and then I can go back through and install all the switches and covers and then be done with those. So I think that about wraps it up. That's really all I did today, was just installing the wire, going through the top of the little grooves. They have it like fireproofed or whatever, so I just drilled a little hole and then stuck the wire through, and then yeah, so just running the wire, strapping it, and then making up the boxes and all that good stuff. So that's what I worked on today. I hope you enjoyed. I'll let you watch the rest of the video now. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, drop it a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you back tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'm going to be working on tomorrow exactly, but that was on the 5th floor, and we'll see what we got going on. So thanks, guys. I will see you tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Dirty hands. LOL. so here's the building right here. It's a really weird triangular shape. It's like there, and then it goes back. So, anyways, it's like 6 stories with a roof. So, yeah. So I was working right up there, I think. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep. And also, I used the cutest little lift today. I think it's the smallest lift I've ever used. Basically, you can, instead of having like the turner on the top of the joystick, it's basically just like a 360 rotation, which is really different to use since I've never used one before. But basically, the wheels do like 360s. You don't have to like go only left or only right. You can just like keep turning it, and pretty sure it'll just like do 360s and 360s. It's crazy. But anyways, really happy I didn't have to use a ladder up and down all day because my legs are kind of sore and my arms are sore. So that was nice. So I didn't have to drag a ladder around all day. I got to use this lift, and it's super nice because you can turn on a dime and just go through little doorways or work next. Alright, sorry, my boss called me. My friend is looking for a job and I'm trying to help him out. So maybe they can come work for my company, which would be cool. But anyways, I was trying to say that basically you can, if you're in a little office room, you can basically have someone can be against the wall, and then you can take this little baby lift and drive right next to him. It's crazy. Anyways, and then you can like do a 360 and turn around in the room. It's super easy to get around, and it's super nice. But I was gonna say something else I forgot, but anyways, yep, okay. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. I will see you later. Peace out. I don't know if this is what I wanted to say or not, but the videos will probably be up a few hours later this week, maybe 2 or 3 hours later. If not super late at nighttime, because basically I think they want me to work 10 hours this week, or I don't know for how long. The guy leading this job wants longer hours, so I worked 9.5 today, and then I think I'm going to be trying to do 10s the rest of the week, so I'll get some overtime, which will be cool. But I'm always happy with 8 hours. But anyways, so expect the videos to be late, and then I do stuff during the week, so if I don't get time to edit it right when I get home, it'll have to be like super late at night, like 9 or 10 o'clock. So then I'll probably get like no views, and then you guys probably will unsubscribe, and it'll be fantastic. But anyways, please don't do that. I love you guys. I'll catch you later. Just giving you guys a heads up. Peace out.
Favorite superheroes.